Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Xiaomi smart cooking robots that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to invest in a smart kitchen helper, stick around because we've got some incredible options to show you. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the ChefRobot wireless meat thermometer. While not a full-fledged cooking robot, this gadget is perfect for those who need precision when grilling or baking. With an impressive wireless range of up to 800 feet and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, you can monitor your cooking progress from virtually anywhere in your home. The dual temperature sensors allow you to track both the internal food temperature and the ambient cooking temperature, making it ideal for grilling meats, baking, or even slow cooking larger meals. The design is sleek and functional, with a robust ABS and stainless steel build. The ultra-thin probe is a fantastic feature, ensuring minimal puncture in your food while still providing highly accurate readings. The app integration is seamless, offering real-time alerts, timers, and customizable temperature notifications. It even comes with an easy 4-step setup process, making it beginner-friendly. However, it's worth noting that the app needs to stay active in the background for uninterrupted notifications. While this isn't a multifunctional cooking robot, it excels in its niche. The ChefRobot thermometer is best suited for grilling enthusiasts or anyone who prioritizes precision in their cooking. Pros include its long wireless range, dual sensors, and app versatility. The downside? It's only a specialized thermometer and lacks broader cooking functionalities. Nonetheless, it's a great addition to your smart kitchen toolkit. Coming in at number 4 is the ChefRobot Smart Food Processor UltraCook. This all-in-one cooking machine offers a generous 3.5-liter capacity and an impressive 15-plus functions, such as steaming, blending, sous vide, and kneading. What sets it apart is its access to over 600 online recipes via the ChefRobot app, ensuring you'll never run out of cooking ideas. The 7-inch TFT screen is intuitive and user-friendly, displaying step-by-step instructions for effortless meal preparation. The build quality is solid, with a sleek white finish and stainless steel components. The built-in scale allows for precise measurements, which are critical for baking and other detail-oriented recipes. The self-cleaning function is a time saver, though the product isn't dishwasher safe, which may be a slight inconvenience. Its temperature range of 98 to 320 Fahrenheit ensures versatility for a wide variety of dishes. However, at 21.2 pounds, it's on the heavier side, so portability is limited. This product is ideal for small to medium-sized families or home cooks who want an all-in-one device that can handle multiple tasks. Key pros include its multifunctionality, recipe integration, and ease of use. On the downside, it has a somewhat bulky design, and customer reviews suggest occasional app connectivity issues. Overall, it's a reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tasks. At number 3, we have the Chef Magic Kitchen Robot by ChefRobot. Offering a similar 3.5-liter capacity as its sibling product, this model ups the ante with 15 versatile functions, including sous vide, fermentation, and turbo modes. The built-in scale ensures precise ingredient measurements, while the 7-inch TFT screen provides clear instructions and easy navigation through its 600-plus preloaded recipes. The wireless app control adds extra convenience, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings remotely. The design is robust, with a white ABS body and stainless steel blades for durability. Weighing in at 28.6 pounds, this is a heavy-duty appliance meant for countertop use. It's notable that the self-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance a breeze. Safety is also a priority here, with a reliable lock system to prevent accidents. The temperature range of 98 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit is suitable for a wide range of cooking styles, from slow cooking to high-heat frying. This is a fantastic option for families or anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen. Pros include its advanced functions, large capacity, and easy maintenance. However, its weight and bulkiness may be drawbacks for those with limited counter space. Additionally, with only one customer review so far, It's hard to gauge long-term reliability. Still, its features make it a strong contender in the smart cooking robot category. Taking the runner-up spot is the Chef Magic by Wonder Chef. Designed with Indian and international cuisines in mind, this all-in-one kitchen robot is a powerhouse. It replaces multiple appliances, integrating functions like chopping, sautéing, kneading, and steaming into one device. With a 4.7-liter stainless steel cooking jar and 200-plus preloaded recipes, it's perfect for diverse culinary needs. The device also updates weekly with new recipes via Wi-Fi, so you'll always find fresh inspiration. Crafted with a durable ABS body and surgical steel blades, the Chef Magic is built to last. The smart screen interface is intuitive, offering detailed guidance on ingredients, timings, and temperatures. The mobile app sync allows remote monitoring and even lets you adjust settings mid-cooking. The auto-clean function is a blessing for busy users. However, at 16.5 pounds, it's lighter than many competitors, making it slightly more portable. This product is ideal for anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of cuisines, especially Indian dishes. The pros include its large capacity, weekly recipe updates, and remote app control. On the downside, it's not dishwasher safe, and some users may find the recipe database limited compared to other models. Overall, this is a premium option for home chefs who appreciate convenience and versatility. Finally, at number 1, we have the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. This is a versatile 10-in-1 multi-cooker with a 6-quart capacity, perfect for family-sized meals. The standout feature is its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, which pairs seamlessly with the Chef IQ app. The app provides access to 500-plus guided recipes, video tutorials, and preset cooking modes for a wide variety of dishes. The built-in scale simplifies ingredient measurements, making prep a breeze. The design is modern and compact, with a matte black finish that looks great in any kitchen. At just 10.4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to store. The auto pressure release system enhances safety, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup simple. The real-time firmware updates are another bonus, ensuring your device always has the latest features. This cooker is perfect for busy families or anyone who values convenience and smart technology in the kitchen. Key pros include its app integration, guided recipes, and automatic pressure release. On the downside, it lacks some advanced functions like sous vide or fermentation. However, for its price and ease of use, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker is unbeatable. It's a must-have for modern kitchens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions about these smart cooking robots? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy cooking!